Students. In this video I will tell you about the factors affecting the TGA curve, instrumental factors and sample characteristics affect the TGA curve. These two factors come under the category of instrumental factors. These two factors come under the category of sample characteristics. The temperature at which compound decompose depends upon the heating rate. This heating rate is usually recommended for reliable and reproducible TGA. The furnace atmosphere has effect on the decomposition temperature of the sample. A pure nitrogen gas provides the inert atmosphere. A small weight of the sample is recommended to eliminate the existence of temperature gradient. The particle size of the sample should be small and uniform. Thanks for watching.